Welcome. In this video, can Xcn coin price boom soon? We will analyze it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please watch till the end to understand. A pennant pattern is one of the classic and reliable technical formations where price action is compressed and potentially foreshadows a strong breakout. When analyzed in this context, we can clearly observe that a pennant pattern has clearly formed on the chart we are analyzing. This type of pattern usually refers to a short period of consolidation following a strong upward momentum. During the consolidation, the price is squeezed into a narrowing structure, and after a sharp rise characterized by a flagpole, it enters a resting phase. During this period, market participants sell their profits while buyers look for opportunities to take positions. This pennant pattern on the chart was quite consistent with its classic definition. The strong upward movement, especially at the beginning of the pattern, acted as the flagpole of the pennant, and the subsequent horizontal declining movements formed the pennant. One of the most powerful aspects of such patterns is the possibility of a sharp continuation in the direction of the past trend when the breakout occurs, and we witness this scenario here. The pennant made a breakout to the upside, and this breakout was quite stable, bulky, and reassuring. The fact that the price broke this pattern to the upside indicates that buyers are regaining strength in the market and the direction is clearing upwards. This breakout may have also opened up new buying opportunities for many technical analysts and traders. This is because pennant patterns are generally considered continuation patterns in technical analysis, and the direction of the breakout indicates a continuation of the previous trend. Here, the bullish breakout indicates that the previous bullish move is not yet complete and the price is targeting higher levels. The retest movement that is currently being experienced after the breakout can be interpreted as a very healthy and constructive price behavior. In technical analysis, pullbacks following breakouts often create an opportunity for the broken area to be tested as support and for new buyers to enter the market. This creates a strong confidence in the market because traders are more willing to increase their positions when they see that the price respects the breakout and makes it a solid support. This retest that is currently taking place can be seen in this very structure. By breaking the upper band of the pennant pattern and then returning back to this area, the price is proving the technical validity of the structure and setting the stage for the continuation of the upward movement. The volume structure observed during this retest is also very important. Generally, a drop in volume during retest periods indicates that selling pressure has subsided and strong hands are determined to hold the price. If this low volume retracement is followed by a rebound in buying volume, it usually indicates that the next upside move will be much stronger and more decisive. Therefore, the current retest process gives positive signals in many respects. In addition, the projection targets of such pennant patterns in technical analysis are quite clear. Usually, when pennant patterns break, the price target is set as high as the length of the post at the beginning of the pattern. By applying this method of measurement in the current situation, the next resistance level or profit-taking zone of the price can be predicted. If all goes well and the market sentiment remains strong, it is quite possible that the price will reach this technical target after the upside breakout of this pennant pattern. But we can't decide the analysis only by the pattern. Let's look at the other metrics. Stay tuned. A careful examination of the chart reveals a very distinct and reassuring uptrend structure. Such ascending trend lines are among the valuable structures that are often encountered in technical analysis and offer important guidance to traders. The main characteristic of an uptrend is that the price moves steadily upwards, making higher lows over time. The uptrend that is currently forming on the chart clearly shows that the price is moving upwards with strong momentum, and every pullback is a buying opportunity. This is a very positive signal that buyers are dominating the market and are stepping in on pullbacks to push the price back up. The current ascending trend line has several different points of contact. This is an important technical detail that supports the strength and reliability of the trend. Because a trend line requires at least 3 different touch points to be considered strong, and this chart shows that the price touched this trend line multiple times. The fact that the price reacts strongly to the upside each time it touches this trend line shows that the market recognizes this trend as a support and buyers are concentrated in these areas. This signals to investors that these levels should be considered as potential buying zones. The fact that price movements are moving in such a clear and regular uptrend also reveals how healthy the technical structure of the market is. This is because in such trend structures, the market takes a breather at regular intervals, experiencing small pullbacks, only to test new highs with the subsequent wave of buying. This shows that the market is digesting and that the price is not moving up artificially, but in a natural supply-demand balance. This is considered a very positive pattern for both short-term and medium-term investors. Especially in technical analysis, the principle of be friends with the trend is critical for investors. This means that if an asset is moving in an uptrend, buy positions are considered safer. This is because pullbacks along the trend line are usually correction moves, and buyers see these areas as opportunities and re-engage. This is a similar situation here. The price has previously reacted strongly and initiated upward movements when it came to this rising trend line. This shows that if the price approaches this trend line again, buyers may re-engage and a new upward impulse may begin. It is a well-known fact in technical analysis that such trend lines continue to work as long as they are not broken. And the structure we have at the moment is still intact, preserving the trend structure and supported by strong buying reactions. Therefore, if the price approaches this trend line again, this will technically raise the possibility of a rebound. In addition, the fact that the rises that followed the contacts with this line were supported by volume shows that the buyer pressure in this area is real and strong. It is also worth noting that the rising trend line works not only as support in technical analysis, but also as a psychological threshold. Since traders closely follow such trends, the market sentiment increases when the price approaches this line. Technical traders, algorithms, big players may see the price approaching this line as a potential opportunity and take positions. Therefore, if the price comes back to this trend, it may trigger another bullish move, not only technically but also behaviorally. This indicates that the pattern continues to work and the trend structure is still valid. The MACD indicator is a powerful technical analysis tool that provides extremely important signals in understanding the strength and direction of the momentum in the market. Analyzing the current price movements, the MACD indicator has started to give very positive signals, especially in the recent period. A careful analysis of the indicator's histogram structure and the movement of the lines clearly shows that there is a significant upward crossover from the lower zones. This crossover indicates that the short-term averages of the market have started to cross the long-term averages upwards, which has the potential to reflect positively on prices. This kind of upward crossover of the MACD from the lower zones is often a harbinger of a turnaround. Especially after a strong downtrend or a period of sideways consolidation, such an upward crossover indicates that a shift in momentum has begun in the market and buyers are re-engaging. This type of technical structure is considered by many professional traders as the starting point of a bullish breakout, especially if the crossover occurs below the zero line and then the MACD line starts to approach the zero level. This can be an important signal that the uptrend may strengthen further. MACD indicator is important for crossovers. Yes, friends, I hope you liked the video. If you subscribe to my channel and like the video, more videos will be coming. Be careful in your investments, analyze the risks correctly, and always take strategic steps. I will be with you with different analyses, investment opportunities, and technical information in my videos. I wish you all a lot of profit. See you soon.